Here I've kitted the parts for my supercapacitor magic meter, and what we have is an Arduino Uno R4 Minima, the new R4 Minima. That's going to be the host. Then there's my circuit board, which is the shield that goes on top of the Minima. So this is going to have the rest of these components on it. There's going to be a couple of terminals here for the banana plugs, and the big switch with LED indicators around it there. There's some transistors here. There's two different types of transistors. There's actually four types, two different types of N-channel FET and two different types of P-channel FET. Here we have the chopper stabilized op amps. There's a liquid crystal display, which is a I2C interface. Here we have voltage regulators, and underneath that we have a bunch of LEDs. We have some more transistors. These are the banana jacks down here, and the rotary switch. So I'll put some components on this card, and we'll start viewing what that looks like when it's assembled.